How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So listen up. We have to do an update on Palantir as we're wrapping up this Wednesday, heading into Thanksgiving tomorrow. By the way, guys, happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays. Hope you're all crushing it out there. So yeah, the usual, we're going to break down the charts, my thoughts, how we're looking right now. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Very important, guys. And get your free stocks from Moomoo. The clock's ticking. You have 3 more days to do it. Use that link down below. Once you open up your account and deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash bonus, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, cheers to that. That deal is a no-brainer. So use that link down below in the comment section, in the description box, or go to stasurfs.com/Moomoo. Get your stocks while the deal lasts. 3 more days, guys. Get on it, and let's get right into the video. So PLTR right now, as again, we're slowly wrapping up the day. It's about 2 p.m. on the East Coast. It is down about 0.25%, trading at $65.50 after hitting the mid 67s again in the morning. You guys can see this morning in the pre-market, we were trending up in the low mid 66s. We almost hit 67 in the pre-market. Then once we opened up, we did hit 67. We saw a big pop. We actually got to the mid 67s. And, well, we've been giving back the gains, selling off pretty much ever since that point, right? We hit 67.50 and we got all the way down to almost 64 flat. So we were down 5% at one point from the high of the day to the low of the day. But now in real time, we're pushing the mid-high 65s. We're starting to rebound. We're getting a nice intraday recovery. And you guys can see if I draw this trend line out on this intraday, we pretty much held the lows from yesterday. We slightly broke under them. We hit around 64, 65 yesterday. Today we got down to about 64.30 momentarily. But since that, we have recovered nicely over the lows from yesterday. We actually have a bit of an inverse head and shoulders right here on the intraday on PLTR. Now we're moving over the moving averages again. We have a golden cross on this time frame, which is good. But one thing worth mentioning is, guys, the level of resistance that we keep failing at, 67 to 67.50 to $68. This has been a tough spot, not only today, but from a couple days ago, 2 days ago on Monday. We also hit it about, a week and a half ago on the 18th of November. We hit 67, 67.50. So this has been a tough spot, no doubt, on PLTR here. But look, we keep fighting to get back to the mid 67s, to push to that point, to kind of retest it. And look, we're actually making higher lows into that resistance. I mean, you guys can see it on the 1 hour, maybe on the 30-minute. Yeah, on the 30-minute, you guys can see it even better. Do you guys remember the cup and handle we talked about yesterday? That's still intact. Look, we have the cup. We have the handle right here. We actually almost broke out today when we tested 67.60. We almost did. We got rejected, but the cup and handle is still intact. We actually have 2 cup and handles here, kind of. You guys see another one right here, cup handle. You guys see that? A mini cup and handle within the overall cup and handle. Hey, it's what we're working with right now, guys. And at the same time, we're making distinct higher lows into that 67, 68 resistance. So we kind of have an ascending triangle as well, do we not? I mean, guys, look at this. Clear as day. We're making these distinct higher lows. And now with today's trading, as we're getting buyers to come in at $65 pretty much, we're popping. That's another higher low that we're putting in right above the 180 SMA on the 30-minute chart. This looks phenomenal. So it all comes down to what we do at $67.50 to $68. Again, we've tested the spot 3 times over the last week and a half. Eventually, man, we're going to have to, either fully get rejected by it or break right through. And as of now, I don't know, but to me, I don't know about you guys, it looks like in the short term, we're pointing towards breaking out. Again, we have the cup and handle, which is bullish. Ascending triangle is bullish. We're making higher lows. That's bullish. We're above the moving averages on pretty much every time frame. So, yeah, I'm excited to see what PLTR does in this window right here. In the short term, I think we can make some money if we're trading this thing, which, by the way, I'm in it as a long-term investment. Full disclosure, average cost at $21 a share. And I'm also trading this thing in and out. Not every day, but I am trading this thing, a good amount of times recently, right? I have. So I think in the short term, we can catch this move, maybe a move back from the mid-65s back to the mid-67s. In the meantime, while we wait for the breakout, that is what we can capitalize on. Well, what I can capitalize on. Not telling you guys what to do. Do your own research, of course. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking right now on PLTR as we're heading into the rest of the day here. Thanksgiving. These are a couple of things to think about over the next couple of days, right? As we're getting into Friday even, which is a shorter day for the stock market. I think we close at 1 p.m. East Coast time. So take this into account, guys. Keep everything I just said in your mind. So what do you guys think before we dive into these indexes? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button while you're at it. And join the email list, by the way. Almost forgot to shout it out. It's free, and I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every Monday. Now we have, I think, over 1,500 people in the email list. Guys, it's free, a bunch of value, so make sure you join in the comment section, or it's in the description box as well. I'll see you guys in the email list. But yeah, PLTR slightly down. The entire stock market is slightly down right now as well. We have SPY down about, almost, actually a little over 0.25% right now after hitting all-time highs in the pre-market. So SPY's giving back gains today. QQQ, same thing. We hit 501 about an hour or 2 hours ago after being close to 510 at close yesterday. So QQQ, big tech, not looking the best today. I mean, obviously in the grand scheme of things, still looking really good. But in the intraday today, it is selling off. We have the Dow down about 0.25% after that also hit all-time highs this morning. Like SPY, the Dow actually hit a fresh milestone of 45,000 points. Unbelievable here on the Dow, guys. And the Russell, which, let me pull it up. It's the only green one right now, barely up 0.1%, and this hit an all-time high on Monday. So yeah, talk about all-time highs this week, guys. The Dow, S&P, the Russell all hit all-time highs. QQQ's almost there. It should hit it soon, in my opinion. But for now, we'll take it. Russell, Dow, S&P, I'm loving it. So guys, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And before you click off the video, do not forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash bonus. Fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, I'm telling you, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. You have 3 more days to do it, so get on it. Use that link, get your stocks, and with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.